My son wore his brand new Adidas shoes to somewhere and got them dirty. Had to throw them in the wash machine. They'll learn. Crepe myrtle. Got it trimmed up, looking nice and clean. And I don't know if you've noticed in some videos, but this section right here is just destroyed with weeds. Oh man, it was terrible. I've been so busy. Haven't been able to get out here and get anything done. Look at there, I missed one. Look at that thing right there, man. I gotta put my gloves on to pull him out. This over here is an absolute nightmare. Man, did it ever get away from me this year. Look at all this. All that's weeds. I don't know what this is. I have no clue what that is, but it just took over out here. I got old bales of pine needles laying around. Look at this. Pete, boy, you ain't supposed to let your yard get like that. Well, it did. I've been busy. I mean, just beyond what you can imagine. So, I'm getting things back in order. You can see right here, this is much cleaner. And I'm gonna work on this right here, get it cleaned up. I'm gonna go ahead and prune my camellia. Look at where the deer, look at all this crap in here. Good day. Look at where the deer come up here and mow my hosta down to the ground. Well, not to the ground, but they eat quite a bit of it. Sorry about my air conditioner. You can hear it in the background, but there's nothing I can do about it. I don't want to get too hot. Don't want my kids and wife to get hot. But man, you just have to get in here and get it done. I can't spray a herbicide over top of this because might damage my Stella de Oro. Now, yes, I just got to get this done because I got to get it done. It's very unsightly, nasty. It's not like me to let this get out of hand like this, but like I said, I've been crazy busy. And on top of that, I have two very, very good friends of mine coming the day that I aerate and seed my yard, and they're going to help me. And just to be completely honest with you, I'm a little embarrassed. So we're going to get it cleaned up for them, get it presentable. Don't want them looking at no crap. And I think I might get some pine needles down, some fresh pine needles before I aerate and seed. Like I'd said in the earlier video, I had another plan to do away with a few grass areas in the yard, but those plans have changed a little bit now, and I'm not going to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and pine needle it so it'll look good for the fall and for Christmas and Thanksgiving and Halloween, and it just looked good. I like a nice looking yard. All right, watch this right here. This will give you an example of how bad things are around here. Good day. Look at that bad boy. All right, so man, talk about looking better. Holy cow. I've got those are old bales of pine needles right there. I need to take this shop and throw them away. I've got this big opening right here, and I think I think I don't know what I'm going to put there. So I got to think about that and research it. I don't really want anything that's going to get big and block my air conditioner. So I don't know. I got to think about it a little bit. Hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. I hope you're having a great day today. And Kentucky bluegrass. Look at this right here. Look at this spot of turf right here. I'm telling you, I am tickled silly. This stuff, since it's cooled down a little bit, man, it has changed colors and gotten super, super dark. Look at that right there. You talking about dense and thick and green. Man. Boy, I really like this stuff right here. Whoo! Look at that bluegrass right there. Now something's wrong with that bluegrass. It was green the last time you seen it, and it's awful brown. Almost looks like somebody might have sprayed Roundup on it. So alright, so just a little update on that over there. I got something coming that I need to put in that spot over there, so I had to get rid of that Prosperity. I'll kind of fill you in on the details as I get more details myself. So I kind of got the beds cleaned up there. Got some really cool company coming when I aerate and seed, and then the weekend before I've got somebody else coming to pay me a visit from Georgia. So I'm kind of excited about that, and I'm just going to give this thing a good mow. A lot of folks have always said, hey, why don't you just do a real-time mow and just mow the grass and don't speed it up or nothing like that. So I'm going to do that with this little spot right here. I'm running out of light. Tomorrow evening when I get off work, I'm going to film the scalp down process over here for my DIY renovation. So hope you have a good day. Check you later. I'm going to leave you with a little bit of Bravo 25, wide Bravo 25 mowing. I'm on about 3 inches, and I do have the side discharge chute on it, so I'm gonna throw it out the side. I'll probably double cut it because it's a little thick right now, and I'm sure this thing's gonna clump up a little bit, so I'm gonna double cut it, clean it up real nice. Now, I'll be completely honest with you, it left a little bit of mess. It's been a while since I cut it. So I'm gonna take this and put it up, put the bagger on, just go back over it and suck those clippings up. so there you go. Looks pretty good. I just can't get over that grass, man. It really is a very nice looking turf, and cannot wait to do these other 3 and kind of tell you the game plan and tell you what's in the works, what I got going on. But like, subscribe, and share. Tell all your buddies. You ain't gonna miss it. Check you later.